I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device and Minecraft folder. First, install CX File Explorer and grant storage and file access permissions. This lets CX read and write Minecraft files. Once done, open CX and tap Local to navigate directly to /sdcard/games/com. Mojang. You want the Minecraft worlds, resource packs, or behavior packs folders depending on your goal. Now you can view world saves and add or extract files. Make sure Minecraft is closed before modifying anything to avoid corruption. Proceed to the next step. You now perform the detailed file operations. You select to pick multiple files, then copy or move to transfer saves into the correct Minecraft folder. This preserves world structure. If you imported MacPack or MacWorld, long press and choose Extract or Open with to place assets into resource packs or behavior packs. For JSON edits, open files in CX's text viewer or export to a code editor. Make incremental changes and save backups. Also confirm file names and manifest versions, match Minecraft requirements before reopening the game. Finish by validating your work in Minecraft. Close CX, launch the game, and open the modified world or enable the pack in settings to confirm functionality. If new content doesn't appear, clear Minecraft cache or restart your device. Sometimes a permission refresh is needed. If a world is corrupted, immediately restore the backup copy you made earlier. That's why you created backups. And if CX can't write files, revoke and regrant storage permission. Then retry the move. This fixes most access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.